Hello everyone, my name is Karamjit Kojatana and the student ID is 800046728. The subject is MGT 607 Innovation, Creativity and Entrepreneurship. Today I am giving the presentation on the topic of the business concept plan. So now I am going to start my presentation. The first step is industry background. This presentation has identified a comprehensive idea about the conceptual business plan related to the hospitality industry, which provide a full review based on the quality of products in order to improve its brand awareness. The problems are due to continue to increase the competition in Australians service industry, which creates a difficulty for entrepreneurs and to develop a decent reputation in the company. The second one is due to COVID 19, there is a shortage of skilled labor force. Solutions are the presence of companies need to review the quality of products, which will help to raise the knowledge of their products and the services, as well as such reviews may assist hotels and the restaurants to adopt and implement such marketing trends in the Australian market. The second one is, for example, and the company maybe can hire a newly skilled labor force to improve its the profitability. Business model would be deliver the services according to the customer taste. Even industry can enhance its profitability through developing a relationship with the customers, and also they can more focus on the particular customers who may boost the income and the profitability of the service. Competitive analysis: most of the competitors are locally around the service industry, including restaurants, hotels and the motels. Unique value propositions: to identify the benefits of the products, services about the company with quick and easy accessible without waste of time in affordable price. Prototype: here prototype may be host blogs, digital platforms including social media, which will help to enhance the positive review and raise knowledge about the business. For example, online delivering through ease and quick access on online app, and also delivering in time on a proper place or destination. Technological plan: technology plan will help will help to offer a quality of products with right balance between business user price and the projected the and the plan projected the deliver enhancements to service. Marketing plan: total addressable market. Enterprise would have to examine the available market together with the target market. And here is the same, like for example, if we try to find a total addressable market, and it will be maybe the customers who will be the total addressable market in the organization. Demography of primary customer segment: this may be about the customer taste regarding their choice of food or taste. Pricing strategy: this can be used complement its price. Distribution strategy can be logistic and transportation for the delivery of the products in the service. Financial plan: about the expenses, marketing, maintenance, research and develop cost. Cash flow model will be key weekly cash flow including cash sources and cash uses. Break even analysis that indicates that $5,000 will be required monthly revenue to reach the even point. KPIs, which indicates that the cost of the food, employee turnover, and the labor cost percentage. Organizational plan: team can compromise the meal plan with proper employee management. For example, chef, marketing managers, and the people or employee on the counter or reception according to the weekly roster. Resources will be online platforms in the company. Exist plan selling companies to into the top notch companies. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thanks again.